Hi guys, welcome to Maria's channel. I'm her husband, Daniel, and as you can see, I got my Ichiraku, I forget it, Ichiraku ramen mystery box. I already know what kind of was inside. And I'm already halfway through opening it already. And let's see. I'm really excited. I'm kind of hoping for pins because lately I've been getting pins. Oh, I don't want to damage it too much. Oh, it's tight. Hey. It has a smell to it. More plastic smell. Oh. One of the things that it comes with is a GameStop exclusive Pop Pez Naruto. What I really wanted was this Kakashi lightning blade. I already have one, but this is the other one with his hand, a different pose. GameStop exclusive. And in between the little ramen. Where's the food? See, it doesn't have food. And is this the ramen? Is this supposed to be the ramen? Damn. I was gonna give you the ramen. And it comes with I think this is, what's it called?
Lanyard.
Yeah, lanyard. And I think some stickers. Ooh, I don't know how this. More stickers. Decal. That's a decal. Oh, it does have pins. But they're kind of corny, so I'll probably just give those away. And thank you guys for watching my unboxing. This is my first video. I hope to do more if the wife lets me. And please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you.